Hi, my name's Johnathan here. Farming in North Pembrokeshire on Berry Hill Farm. It's a family-run farm and I'm the fourth generation. Last summer we decided that we'd like to upgrade our cubicles, so we decided to look around and we came across the EASYFIX mattresses and cubicles. And initially we were only going to put the mattresses in, but after having to see the plastic cubicles and how the flexibility of them were and how cows enjoyed them so much, we decided to take out our existing steel cubicles which are in here, and we've put in this shed there's 72 Neptune mattresses and plastic cubicles in. I think as you can see the cows love it. They're happy. The milk yield has improved. We've had less trouble with feet, no trouble with hocks and things. Lying time has increased dramatically, and I think within the first day we put them in, I think there's pretty much 70 cows lying down in here, and you know the product spoke for itself within the first 24 hours, and we've been delighted with it. And I think if we were ever to do anything else again, we'd always go for EASYFIX cubicles and mattresses because they've been brilliant. So the cows are happy, so happy cows and happy farmer.